Namaste. Today I am going to discuss about certain important possible topics for the research for a student of research with the help of Sanskrit literature. Siridasa, a philosopher, in his Niti Sahasri says that Videshi Bharata Gatya Sukhe Jivanti Sarvada Satyashodhana Kartavya Swadeshe Dukha Karanam, which means the foreigner who is settled here in India will prosper slowly and steadily and live happily. But a tribe in India who born and brought up here in India after getting many facilities from the government, not growing even today, he likes the dependency on any other. Government facilities are in paper and pen. It is not improving the real standard of living in reality. It is really thought provoking and there is much scope for research. To know the reasons for this kind of problems faced by these tribes in India. Niti Sahasri also says that Sapada Aya Adayam Samprapya Vyayam Aushadhi Karanam Vishayukta Sadaharam Rasayanikadi Karanam. About 25% of our income is used for medication purpose. It is all because of the food that we are consuming everyday life, which is contaminated. It is said that money saved, money earned. No doubt, we are earning money, but we are using it mainly for the medicine. It is said that the development of hospital, police station, and law court is not a sign of improvement, but it is a sign of depression. So, here the scope for research why this so happens in any place. Niti Sahasri also says, Satyashodhana Kartavya Stri Raksha Swachha Bharatam Suraksha Jala Samruddhi Vriksha Samrajya Sampadam. There are the areas of research and development, namely women empowerment, sanitation, ecological balance, water conservation, and modification of tanks, lakes, etc., and small forest development consisting of fruit yielding trees, tree varieties, etc., which attract more birds instead of city parks, which is needed for the future generation. Satya Shodhana Kartavya. Here are the space to make the research. Stri Raksha, Stri protection, women protection, Swachha Bharatam, sanitation, Suraksha, protection of life, Jala Samruddhi, how to improve lakes and water sources, and Vriksha means trees, Vriksha Samrajyam, we have to grow more trees. These are the areas to be, they are useful areas to make the research in the real world. Niti Sahasri also says that Arogya Madhyata Kshetram Gramya Saulabhyavardhanam Tadeva Samatamulam Vikendrikrita Bharatam. Rural people, even today, are rushing towards the cities for every small purpose because lack of facilities in the rural areas and even educated people want to settle in the city centers than that of rural areas. So first, stimulate the qualitative hospitals even in remote areas and avail all possible facilities like cities in the remote areas. Online communication, mergers, amalgamation, and takeovers, etc., as well as public-private partnership will certainly help a lot for the rural progress. That is the only route for decentralization. And here is the scope for research for the students to know the pros and cons of it. Arogyamadyata kshetram, health facilities should be improved. Grame Saulabhyavardhanam, rural areas should be given all kinds of facilities. Tadeva Samata Moolam, that is the root cause for this equality. And Vikendrikrita Bharatam, we can concentrate on decentralization in India. ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ನಿಗ್ರಹಾರ್ಥಾಯ ಸರ್ವೇಂಧನ ಶೋಧನಂ ವೃಕ್ಷಾದ್ ವಾಯು ಸೂರ್ಯಾದಿ ಪಂಚಭೂತಾದಿ ನಿರ್ಮಿತಂ. These are the areas of research and development, namely in the field of source of energy. Conventional source should be replaced by the non-conventional sources of energy. It may be solar, wind power, or seeds, which are made up of 5 elements of nature, which can reduce the environmental pollution. And even plastic bags should be replaced by the paper bags, which will empower the women employment and empowerment at home. Malinya Nigraharthaya, to Sarvendana Shodhanam, variety of Indhana means fuels should be identified. How it should be? It should be identified either through Vriksha from trees, Vayu from wind power, Surya, solar power, and all other Panchabhutas. From them we have to get the fuel for our needs. Panchabhutadi nirmitam, it is made up of the nature. That should be utilized for our improvement so that we can reduce the environmental pollution. Margantu bahuda viddi, tantramsha jnanamashritam, lekhani nashanarthaya, chintanam shodhanarthinam. There are variety of lot of scopes and source for the expansion in e-learning and computerization, especially in the era of COVID-19. There is also a scope for paperless and penless, officeless and organizationless, so on and so forth. All governmental facilities should be reached to the target group only by e-media, which can eradicate financial psycho-pandemic. Margantu bahuda viddi, variety of routes are available. Tantramsha jnanamashritam, based on the Tantramsha, technology. Lekhani nashanarthaya, we have to eradicate pen, paper, etc. Chintanam shodhanarthinam, all these areas should be used, identified for the improvement of society as well as the country. Retireders cooperation movement should be given more liberty to make action plan in the field of higher education and thereby maximum utilization of knowledge. Because education is marching towards profit-centric instead of service-centric, or declining towards the recession trend. Educated should be the boon for the society than a bane for the society. And here is a scope for research for the students to know the pros and cons of it. Types of research may be Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana, Shodhana, Satyashodhana, and Samshodhana. First, we have to listen carefully, then we have to remember, then we have to store it strongly, and we have to find the reason for it. Then we have to find the truth. Is it real or not real? Truth finding. And finally, we make the research, samshodhana. Nowadays, research is not a way of life, but it's a profit centric and unfortunately return on investment ROI based. There is no chronological order in the above steps. People are jumping from stage to stage. Without reading anything, directly they go to research. Without storing anything, directly they go to research. So the quality is also jumping. Most of these are qualitative and descriptive than quantitative and diagnostic. Rarely use the parametric as well as non-parametric methods in the field of research. It is really a pathetic situation. This is to be observed seriously for the future researchers. The topics like white pigeon is a symbol of peace, issues and challenges with special reference to Delhi will be a research topic which is really thought-provoking. Is it really useful for the improvement of human beings? And even the guides are also biased in the name of caste, creed, race, sex, age group, region, as well as financial psychopandemic. Students are to be extra careful to select the topic instead of repenting after 5 years after PhD. Yatra niti prajivanti, where morality improves, arthamulam prajivati, source of economics will improve. Anyatha swartha sampatti swabhumim nashakaranam. Otherwise, it leads to greediness, and this will ruin the earth as well as natural resources of any place. Arjitam niti margena safalam artha sangraha. The money which is earned through the ethic or ethical sources without disturbing others, without paining others, if you earn money, that will be really useful for his life as well as putra pautra pravartaya shanti samriddhi sadhanam. It will be useful for his son, his grandson and his generation, and all of them will live happily, samriddhi karanam, and prosper in their life also. And vice versa. Arjitam niti sujnanam loka samriddhi karanam. Arjitam niti sujnanam loka samriddhi karanam. The knowledge earned through the morality and ethics will lead a good governance. Adarsha sampada vriddhi anubhogadi satkriya. It will enhance the real assets and real consumption. Arthadharita sujnanam nitiradhare jivati. The knowledge based on ethical economics should be implemented on ethics. Artha adharita sujnanam, the knowledge based on money, nitiradhare jivati, will live happily on the basis of morality. Tadartham niti sarvatra shanti samriddhi karanam. That is the reason why we have to maintain morality and peace. Tadartham niti sarvatra. Everywhere we have to extend the ethics and morality for the growth and prosperity of a country. Niti radharito deshe artika stiraruttamam. In any country, a country is based on ethical background will live happily. If a country is based on ethical rule, will certainly in a good economic position. Yuddha viplava nirnamam vittamarthancha sampadam. In such a situation, there will be no war, no any kind of problems, and vittamarthancha sampadam. Financial improvement, economic improvement, and all other prosperity will avail will be available in such a situation. If we share and care, no war. If we eliminate war, money and economy will prosper and safe. So these are all the important shlokas or poems. Based on this, we can improve a country based on the research and development. Thanks for listening to me. Have a nice time.